completing the square. Completing the square. Now completing the square, we use the relationship b divided by 2 squared equal to c, and b divided by 2 squared equal to ac to make a quadratic expression a perfect square. So we want to look at the example. What must be added to the following quadratic expression to make them a perfect square? What must be added to the following quadratic expression to make them a perfect square? So I have an example here. The first one, x square minus 18x minus dash. So the constant c is missing. So what must be added? What is going to help us is this relationship. We have talked about that. If you are going to use b over 2 square equal to c, you must ensure that your a is 1. But if your a is more than 1, is 2, 3, 4, and then the second relationship is going to work for us. So let us go ahead and check on how to do this. So in our solution, so let the missing constant be c. We call it c, right? So we can have now cx square minus 18x plus c. This one now becomes a perfect. Now this is a perfect square. Now if we have made it a perfect square, then, and this the coefficient here is 1, then what it means is that b divided by 2 square should be c. In our the question here, we have b, right? So our b is negative 18 divided by 2 squared. This one should be c, the one we are looking for, right? Now, whether this is negative or positive, it will be obtained from here. Now, negative 18 divided by 2, we are going to have negative 9 squared equal to c. Negative 9 squared is equal to positive 81. Therefore, c equal to 81. So, our expression now is x squared minus 18x plus 81. So our missing constant was 81. Number b. So we are missing bx. So you say let the missing term be bx. So x squared plus bx plus 36 is a perfect square. If it is a perfect square and the coefficient here is 1, it means that b divided by 2 square should be c, right? We have c, but we don't have b. It means that b divided by 2 square equal to c, and our c is 36. Now here, we need to get our b. b is squared. So to remove this square here, we square root 36. We square root 36 to get b divided by 2. So b divided by 2 equal to the square root of 36. But once you have squared here, always remember to put here positive or negative. Always remember to put positive or negative, especially when you are dealing with quadratic expressions or equations. Now, b divided by 2 equal to the square root of 36 is positive or minus 6. Positive or minus 6. We want to remove this 2 here, divided by times 2, both sides times 2. So b equal to positive or minus 12. So it means our bx will be 12x or negative 12x. This here will be positive 12x or negative 12x. 25x squared plus 40x equal to are missing. So what must be added here to make it perfect? So this one is a constant. So 25x squared plus 40x plus c is a perfect square. So if it is a perfect square, it means that b divided by 2 square equal to ac. Why ac? Because the coefficient of x squared is more than 2. So that's why we have ac. B, but we have b over, our b is 40. So 40 divided by 2 square, the answer is ac. This is 20 square is 400 equal to ac. A is 25 times c. So divided by 25 and our c equal to 16. So our constant c is 16. D. So 25x squared plus dash equal to 9. So let the missing term be bx. So 25x squared plus bx is equal to 9. So this is a perfect square, and we know the coefficient. So we are going to use the relationship the b over 2 square is equal to ac. So now we don't have b, but we have ac. So b divided by 2 square equal to ac. A is 25 times 9. B divided by 2 squared equal to 225. So we need to remove the square here by getting the square root of this number. So b divided by 2 equal to positive or minus the square root of 225. B divided by 2 equal to positive minus 15. To get b, 2 times 2. So b equal to positive or minus 30. So the missing term bx equal to positive 30 or negative 30. Our last example in this subtopic is when we have the first term missing. So let the missing term here be ax squared minus 40 x plus 25. This is what is missing. So it means that b divided by 2 square equal to ac. But we have b, 40 divided by 2 squared equal to a times c, and our c is 25. So this is 400. That is 400 equal to 25ca, 25a. So we want the value of a divided by 25 divided by 25. So 400, I got 20 square is 400. Now this one's here. So a equal to 16. A equal to 16. So the missing term is 16x square.